Hey, hello guys, I'm Harshvardhan Rathod, your science teacher. Today's session we're gonna discuss on a mechanism of respiration or breathing. So let's get started. Respiration involves the following steps: breathing or pulmonary ventilation by which atmospheric air and is drawn in and CO2 rich alveolar air is released out. Diffusion of a gases O2 and CO2 across alveolar membrane. Transport of a gases by the blood. Diffusion of O2 and CO2 between a blood and tissues. Utilization of O2 by the cells for catabolization reactions and resultant release of CO2. Each breathing movement has two components: inspiration or inhalation and expiration or exhalation. Inspiration is defined as the process of drawing in of fresh air into lungs for gases exchange. It is an active process brought about by diaphragm muscle and external intercostal muscle. Diaphragm is a muscle of tendinous and membranous partition between abdomen and thorax. Inspiration happens when the external intercostal muscle contract and pull the ribcage upwards and outwards away from the spinal column. At the same time, the diaphragm contracts and flattens, pushing down on the abdominal organs. These movements increase the volume of the thoracic cavity and therefore lower the pressure in the thorax. As the pressure falls below the atmosphere in the thorax, air is forced into the lungs to equalize the pressure. Expiration is the process of exhalation or pushing out of CO2 in which to fall air from the lungs. It is a passive process caused by the relaxation of muscles of diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. With the relaxation of the muscles of diaphragm, the abdominal viscera compress during the inspiration push the diaphragm upward, making it a convex. External intercostal muscles also relax. This brings the ribs and sternum to their original position and the thoracic cavity becomes smaller. The contraction of abdominal muscles presses the abdominal viscera against the diaphragm, bulging it further upward. This shortens the thoracic cavity. Vertically contraction of internal intercostal muscles moves the ribs downward and inward. This reduces the thoracic cavity from the front to back and also from side to side. The decrease in the volume of thoracic cavity raises the pressure of air in the lungs. This pressure pushes out the foreign air from the lungs until the air pressure in the lungs falls to that of the atmosphere. Mammals have negative pressure breathing, such that the lungs draw air due to reduction in pressure within them. This allows them to catch and breathe at the same time. If air were to be forced into the lungs, it might carry food particles into the trachea and block it. Negative pressure breathing gently moves air, which is less likely to carry food particles into the windpipe. I hope guys this information is useful for you. You are new on my channel, subscribe and like and share.